Just had the bikes a month or so.
This is our 4th time out on them. They're really easy to ride, fun to ride. And the great thing is you get to wear your civvies. You don't need your lycra.
This is all certainly new in the last 5–10 years. A lot of cycle paths been put in.
A bit more cycle friendly than it used to be.
The main reason for the Estarlis was started Caravan about three years ago. So if we want to take the bikes, we've got to put them in the roof rack or in the back of the car, a bit cumbersome.
Yeah.
I thought, let's get a couple of folders, and hey presto, here we are. We're looking forward to obviously putting it in the back of the car, get the Caravan on the back, and we can go and obviously discover new places wherever we go.
So she's got a name. She's called Stella Estarli.
Have you named yours similar?
I haven't, no. Consider a smaller wheel bike, but I've done a bit of research and I think they're a bit more twitchy on the road, so opted for the 20-inch wheels, which feel lovely. The thing we found excellent too was obviously the sizing, the frames. Obviously I'm just over 6 foot. Margaret's
just
over 5 foot. You know, and you've got two of the same frames and they both fit perfectly.
They both fit. That's just amazing.
It's every bit as good on the road as his macho road bike. I was quite amazed at that.
I'm on kind of between 1 and 2 on the flat, and if I'm going up a hill, I'll had it up at 3. I've not been in 4 or 5 yet. Still trying to put a bit of effort in myself. I don't want it to be too easy because I really want to keep what fitness I've got and probably improve on it, to be fair.
Just on the flat and no assistance at all. You know, I was quite surprised at how light they feel with no assistance on. Even when you're up above the 15.5 miles per hour where it cuts off, you can still get the power down and get a good bit of speed up.
The Estarli Riders Club on Facebook, we've both become members. We really enjoy the stories and the pictures that people post, and we've posted ourselves a couple of things.
It's good for tips, etc. Any small niggles, problems people have, you just share them and you can obviously get fixes and what have you.
And it's just nice to see if people are taking their bikes. And Billy's aim is to become a top contributor because he loves that sort of thing.
How are you getting on with that Billy clothes?
Not too bad, I've got a lot of things planning ahead. I'll keep it a secret just now, but